Hello guys, in this video, we'll be looking into the unit Customize Record Highlights with Compact Layouts. So in this challenge, we'll be creating a compact layout for a custom object. So let's quickly see what the challenge will be dealing with. So we'll be creating a compact layout for the opportunity object. So let's quickly split our screen with Trailhead Playground and jump into our setup to find our object manager. Let's go to opportunity. So now we are inside our custom object opportunity. Let's go to custom layouts and click on new. So now we are creating a custom compact layout. So let's copy paste the label. So let's include all the fields specified in the challenge. First is opportunity owner, opportunity name, followed by probability, close date, stage, amount, opportunity owner. So you can select multiple items at once as well. So once we have saved our custom compact layout, let's make it our primary layout. So let's go to compact layout assignment and go to edit. Here let's choose the compact layout which we have just created. Once you've selected that, let's hit on save. And let's go to sales to see our compact layout in action. Let's jump into opportunities and click on one of them. So as you can see, under the opportunity name, we can see all the compact layout fields which we have just added, which are probability, close date, stage, amount, and opportunity owner. So let's check if we have done everything right in this challenge. If you have any questions regarding this, feel free to ask in the comments below. I'll try to answer them. Alright, that's perfect. See you in the next video. Bye bye.